Hello folks, welcome back. I hope you keep up in your practice. You're going to start out with the 4-2-2-4. Sometimes you practice for a while and you feel like the result's not coming fast enough. You just want to give up. 5. 5's a point. 2, 3. You got to push through that pain. That's what separates the few from the many. There's a difference in saying you want something and doing something about it. Okay. So, like I said, the more you practice, the result will come. You always sow what you reap, so why don't you reap what you want to sow? 9. You sow what you reap, so why don't you reap? You reap what you sow, so why don't you sow what you want to reap? Okay. If you want to beat this game, you got to put in the time. Sometimes it's frustrating, I know. Sometimes you want to give up, and all odds are against you. But that's why we do this. 9, 6, 5. 6, 3. We're all gamblers. We dream for that big score, you know? That one day you step up to the table and everything falls in your lap. Every gambler wants that day, that jackpot day. But not every gambler is willing to put in the time. 4, 1, 3. So you gotta put in the time, right? It's like I keep saying, if you want to beat the game, you gotta show up for practice. You just gotta keep practicing. 8, 6, 2. There's some things in your life that's out of your control, and there's some things in your life that you can't control. Just gotta know when to fight the fight. 5. Point made. 1, 4, 5. All we gotta do is we gotta narrow down our consistency. We just gotta pass 10 in the low 15s. Consistent. Every time you pick up that dice, when it's your turn, you want to make a consistent number of roll. That way you know when to shut your bet off and turn it on. 9, 5, 4. 9 is the point. We're gonna go with the 6, 3, 3, 6. 5, 1, 4. Six, 1, 5. Still giving too much power there. Trajectory is right. There's just still too much power for the table to absorb. It's a fine line of how much power to deliver for the absorption of the table. That's the only way you could figure it out is to constant practice. Ten, 6, 4. So if they travel together, they landed together, but the rebound kickback, that's just way too much power, too high. Okay. We just need the horn numbers. Gonna go with the 2162 off-center grip. 3, 1, 2. That works out pretty good. You just gotta keep practicing. Just keep at it. This is not a skill. I mean, 4, 1, 3, 4. This is not a talent, okay? This is just a skill. Skill can be learned. And talent without work doesn't lead you to anything. So, just put in the time to increase your skill. Five, 1, 4. We're about 13 or 14 roll now. So. Six, 2, 4. Gonna go with the 3V set. 3, 6, 3, 2. 9, 5, 4. Point made. Just gotta put in the time, folks. Okay. You don't get good at just watching. Okay. You gotta put in the physical work. Six, 3, 3, 6, 7. 7 out. And that is 15 row. Crapped out on the 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Just gotta put in the time already. Okay. 15 row. Oh wait, the buttons are off. And that's 7, so we're still good. It's still our turn. So we lost the all short, all tall. We still go. We didn't lose our turn yet. I guess the 7 fell in the right slot. We lucked out this time. So we can't really count on luck. Okay, one's still off. We're still good. Let's do the whip toss. Just reset anyway. Okay, 4. 0.4. 2, 2. we're gonna count a 7 over here because it buttons. So that worked out pretty good. That's good. Maybe the 7 will give us another 12 or 14 row. 4, 2, 2. That's very good. Point made. Just gotta practice this and get consistent on the hard ways. So my next battle in the ring at the casino, I can start hopping those hard ways and building the hard ways too. Okay. Buttons are off. We're still good. Six. 2, 4, 6. Okay. Gonna go with the 3 V's. 3, 6, 3, 2. 7, 2, 5. This time it didn't save us. Button was on. 3 point. And we roll 19 roll. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 roll. It's okay. Okay, can end this video, keep it short, and then we'll restart for another session. Take care.